Yun. I wanna put that there. Wow. Fernando Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog, it's gonna be a Siomai day, guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa San Jose, San Fernando, Pampanga, and we're invited by Chong's Siomai Rice. You wanna know more about this? Samahan nyo ko. Let's go! Yun guys, nandito tayo sa Chong's Siomai Rice, located dito sa Petrolero, San Jose, San Fernando, Pampanga. This is their first branch. Sabi ko first branch kasi they are open actually for franchise. So if you're interested to, do business with them, again, check out the numbers we're gonna be providing below. But for now, let's taste. Right now they have like 6 flavors, no? Meron silang pork, beef, chicken, shark fin, Japanese, at saka yung gyoza. Available variants are fried and yung steam natin, except for the Japanese. Ayan, so yung Japanese natin is always steam. Ito yon guys. So they have available toyo mansi, chili paste. Now, you can always mix them together. This one, ang sarap ng toyo mansi. Grabe. So, maanghang nga guys. Ito yung nakikita ko sa mga ibang nag-order nito sa mga daan eh. So, ang rice natin is Hainanese. Yun. I wanna put that there. I want it more spicy. Ayan. Oh wow. Yaman ha. No wonder daming nakapila ka ditong Food Panda for delivery. Could be natingman na nila to. Sa mga sauce pa lang guys is ulam na. Sauce pa lang ulam na. You could prepare another, batch of rice sa bahay ninyo kasi mapapa-rice talaga kayo. Ayan, so more of this one. So, tikman naman natin yung kanilang mga shark fin. And then again, let's, dip it here. Wow. Then more of the rice, guys. Rice. It's a must. Tama nga sila. If you want flavor, you could go for the Japanese siomai. Now, if you want flavor and yung parang additional texture when you're chewing it, go for the fried shark fin. I really like it, no? 49 pesos when you dine in here dito po sa Petrolero. So, it's 49 pesos. Very good yung sauce. Very good yung sauce. Of course, the rice is staple. Ayan, pare-pareho po yung rice natin, Hainanese rice. Depende na lang sa preference mo if you want the beef, pork, or chicken, or Japanese siomai. Available po sila dito. Yun, so kasama natin si Sir Franz to talk about Chong's Siomai Rice. Bite yun na kami before dun sa Chong's Inasal natin. Yes, chicken Inasal. Right now, sir, how many branches do we have dun sa chicken natin?
Around 170 branches.
100? Grabe, 175. Dito sa mga flavors natin, which one's your favorite? Ako, shark fin at saka Japanese.
Shark fin din.
Shark fin.
Pag nag-order kasi ako, yung dalawa yung in-order ko agad. Kahit pag 11 PM na ganun, kasi available siya sa Food Panda.
Yes.
Then automatic kasi yun yung order ko yung dalawa, yung Japanese and shark fin.
So hindi pala ako nagkamali, pareho tayo ng kumbaga nagustuhan na tikuhan. They do have, yun nga, special sauce nila dito, which is, we are going to taste more. Ayan.
Makiabe na ako rin na, sir.
Wow, sir,
Okay,
nabi.
sir.
Uy, wow. So walang kaya ka, sir, na ano? Let me put it here. Oh. Sarap. Ang sarap. So ito nga yung sauce nila. So guys, yung nilalagay natin dito sa kanin. Wow. And then more of the Japanese siomai. Additional feature nga pala sa mga magpa-franchise, nabanggit sa akin ni Sir Franz kanina, if you are the one who manages the store or owns it,
yes.
you can actually monitor your stocks, your sales, anywhere, virtually anywhere, kahit nasa ibang bansa ka. Kasi yung monitoring natin dito is cloud-based, so doon sa POS natin, real time.
Yes.
Real time. You can, monitor your sales na, magkano na yung kinikita natin, at the same time, kung kailangan na ba nating mag-order na rin ng stocks. Titikman natin lahat yan. Hindi siya malansa. Para sa akin, hindi siya malansa. Hindi naman siya fried. So this is the steam. So dun sa monitoring ng business natin guys, makikita nyo rin doon which one's really best seller, kung ano yung gusto ng mga tao sa lugar ninyo, yun yung lagi na-order. So, you can have business strategy na rin. Mas maraming in-order natin doon. Mas yun yung pinupush natin. Oh, chili paste. Plus, yung toyo mansi. Wow. Guys, if you're interested to do business with them, check out the number we're gonna be providing below. Check nyo rin po yung Facebook page that we're gonna be providing. Kasi yun po yung kailangan yung message. Now, if you're just craving for this kind of food, guys, siomai, comfort food, mabubusog ka. Yung rice nila is, for me, I think it's 1.5 to 2 yung natin, yung serving niya. So, talagang mabubusog ka, guys. So, there you have it. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the dishes with Sir Franz. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and enjoy Chong's Siomai rice. There you have it. Peace out. Bye.